this video, we're going to be looking at the remainder theorem. So the remainder theorem tells us that if a polynomial f of x is divided by x minus k, then the remainder is r equals f of k. So what does this mean? This tells us that synthetic division can be used to actually evaluate a polynomial function. So to evaluate f of x when x equals k, divide f of x by x minus k, and the remainder will be f of k. So let's look at some examples. So here, I want to use synthetic division to evaluate the function for the indicated value of x. So how we would have done this normally is we would have actually plugged in x equals -4 into the function. And so I would have had f of -4 is equal to 5 times -4 cubed minus -4 squared plus 13 times -4 plus 29. However, we have a lot of numbers going on here, really easy to make a mistake. So this remainder theorem gives us a quicker way to evaluate that using synthetic division. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start it off the same as I did before. Is I'm going to write these coefficients across the top. First I'm going to look, see if I'm missing any terms, x cubed, x squared, x, 29. I'm not, so I'm going to write those coefficients. So I have 5, -1, 13, 29. And then now instead of dividing by this x plus 4, it just tells us what we're evaluating for. And since I'm evaluating for x equals -4, I'm going to put -4 in my box right here. And now I'm going to go through that synthetic division process. So I'm going to bring down my 5. -4 times 5, I get -20. -1 plus -20, I get -21. -4 times -21, I get positive 84. 13 plus 84, I get 97. -4 times 97, I get -388. And then 29 plus -388, I get -359. And so the remainder theorem tells us that that means that f evaluated at -4 is equal to -359. That's equal to what my remainder is. Okay, let's try one more. Here I have 4x squared minus 10x minus 21, now evaluated at x equals 5. So 5 goes in my box. Write my coefficients across the top, and I have 4, -10, -21. I'm not missing a term, so I don't need to add a 0 anywhere. And now I'm going to start my synthetic division process. So bring down the 4. 5 times 4, I get 20. -10 plus 20, I get 10. 5 times 10, I get 50. And then -21 plus 50, I get 29. And so that means that f evaluated at 5 is equal to 29. So if I were to plug 5 into this function, my answer should be 29.